Oh, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Chooch. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh my God. Chooch. I don't want to get spiked. Oh. Ow! I knew it. Oh man, I am one greasy mofo. But welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video, if I haven't posted it before, today's the maiden voyage for my boat. I got my boat on the water today on the probably the hottest day of the year. It was over 100 degrees today. First day of school. School got let out early because of the heat. And if you can tell from my glistening skin, it's super hot. So this is actually part two. We actually went out this morning, bringing in the motor. That went okay, I guess. I don't know. I was having a hard time getting it on plane. I don't know. Maybe I gotta figure out what I'm doing. Yeah, we fished so bad that we're gonna come back out here in this 100-degree weather. We got the whole lake to ourselves. We're either the dumbest people or we're the smartest, because no one else is out here. Guess we'll see. If this turns into a video, then we're the smartest. If we don't, then we're the dumbest. Alright, hopefully I can redeem myself here. Camera is probably going to be overheating a lot today because it is 100 degrees and there's no wind. Dang, Gore's out fishing everybody.
For real.
Let's see what happens when I get a line in the water.
Why you gotta do that, guy?
All over there, huh? Oh, a little wiper. What was that, a spoon? Yep. Oh, right next to us. Dang, Matty Ice is hooked up and I'm getting bit by flies again. Oh, back behind the boat.
There we go. Not a bad fish. Take it.
Come on. Come on. Dang, that one ain't too shabby.
Might have to keep a few though. My mom was bitching already.
Says the guy that threw back his fish.
I know. No, I was trying to do the good karma.
Oh yeah.
That first keeper.
Gotta turn the nozzle open first. This nozzle that the water comes out of, and then just hit the aerator. Hit the bottom part of it. Oh dang! See that shad come flying out of the water?
Yeah, that's crazy. It's gonna be a hot bite. I hope so.
Yeah, I got here and caught fish already. You guys did anyway.
Fish on. There we go, boy.
Dang. Got kind of a big swim bait on. See if that makes a difference or not. Yeah, they don't even need the live scope. But you never know, man.
Yeah.
That's way quieter than the Garmin, man. Yeah, the Garmin would be like. Well, I'm gonna slow it down. And then some bait fish just went zooming off in front of me.
That bite? Yep.
Hey, on fuego.
Chasing them. Come on.
Ooh, they're zooming.
Yep.
All right, let me see. Scooch it. Oh, there's some zooming fish right there, man. Come on.
Oh my God. Hold my pants down.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, there you go. Oh,
There's one. Double.
Come on, triple.
Ah, flies are biting my ankles at the same time, man. Finally, I hooked up.
God, almost had one.
Almost had a triple.
Oh shit. Man, new plastic. Just like beef.
Here we go, guys. Little
That was
wiper.
actually a largie, dude.
Yeah, I saw that.
Man, I'm catching largies, crazy.
Little wiper. And Grandy's mom's gonna keep some fish, and this is a perfect size to keep.
Perfect.
So we'll throw them in the live well. Yeah, just retrieving it just below the surface. Not fishing it super slow, at least I wasn't with that guy. Ow! Stupid flies, man. They've been biting us all day. No big ones though over here.
Not yet.
I'm gonna jog us up.
Hey, everybody's calling here, right? Yep.
Oh, ooh. Okay, okay. Matty Ice is hooked up.
Matty's on.
Throw it behind him. Come on, you got any friends behind him?
Hey, he's fighting hard. White? No, wiper.
Little wiper.
The wiper, eater wiper.
Eater?
How many is that? I just want to keep like 5.
I think this is 4.
Those either. I put 1 in there.
I put 1.
I put 1.
Yep. So that is number 4.
Release the rest.
Some shad flipping behind us.
There you go.
Dang, guy on fuego. That don't sound like a largemouth.
Nope.
I think Granny's throwing a spoon over there. All right, Mom's got her.
Mom's got her meal.
Yep, Mom's got her meal.
Mom's got her meal in 10 minutes.
For real, right?
After we spent
That's no joke.
4 hours fishing.
Why didn't we just come here this morning? Here you guys go. Nice. Nice little wiper. Take that.
Because they don't bust in the morning. Oh!
It seriously does not feel no. You know what I mean?
Come on.
Come on, kid.
Come hit me. There's one that's spinning around in circles. He can't eat it. Oh, he finally got it. He finally got it. Oh, shad just came flying out of the water.
I know. They're getting chased big time.
Right there.
Yeah, actions. We'll take action after a day like earlier today.
I'm with you.
It's funny, we got our live scopes down, but we're not even really using them.
At the moment, don't need it, right?
Nope.
Don't need it right now. We're just casting towards what we can see. Ooh, towards that jetty.
And that jetty.
Right behind the boat, of course, where we came from. Come on. Camera's probably gonna overheat soon here.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, gore's on fire. Ooh, that sounds like a good one.
Yeah, I got that spoon on.
They're liking that spoon. I think I just need a smaller profile. Yeah? How's he looking? Just fighting hard?
He's just fighting hard.
Cookie cutter?
Yeah, cookie cutter.
Cookie cutter.
Barely hooked though. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad fish.
Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Oh, dang. I guess I'll just cast over there.
There's a spider. Good spot.
Are you good? You net?
Force him in.
You sure?
He's running towards me.
You net him for you?
Sure.
Here, guy.
You
Well,
want?
I'm ready here, man.
Keep him away from that trolling motor.
I'm trying. Get him? Yeah, nice.
Dang.
Yeah.
Nice catch, sir.
Thank you.
Pretty much good. Nice.
There you go, buddy.
Those are the perfect.
There's one.
There it is.
It's on.
Damn, he's moving.
They're fighting hard.
Yep.
Oh my god. Smallest one so far. Little wiper though.
Good though.
Still a fish.
Yeah, still a fish.
Good game fish.
Oh no. Oh no. Chooch. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Oh my god. Chooch. I don't want to get spiked. Ow! I knew it.
That's why my
The
brother,
smallest ones are the worst.
yep. That's why my brother wears gloves.
Oh god. I got cut up by your freaking cousins recently. Oh man, feisty. I'm over here making fun of Matt's brother for wearing gloves, and here I am getting scared of getting poked. Ow! And I'm getting bit. Oh, I see some bait zooming. Yeah, we're just looking for bait zooming around. Oh, there's a shad zooming.
So then, so I asked when.
Some guy said he saw me out here and he recognized, or he heard me out here and recognized me because of my voice. I was like, yeah, my obnoxious voice carries pretty far.
You gotta be so mean to yourself. Why you gotta be obnoxious?
Oh, what? Come on, man. Whenever you guys see something like this, Gotta make sure your stuff's straight. They won't just hit any old thing, even though they hit a lot of things. See, the flies are gonna get us now, and then the mosquitoes are gonna get us when the sun goes down. Oh, right there, right in front of us.
Oh, my God. I see he's all jacked up.
Oh, he didn't want it. Dude, I think these are catfish, dude.
Think so?
I think so.
Man, he had cut bait, bro.
Dude,
Guess you can cut one.
do have cut bait. Yeah. They're screaming catfish to me.
Come on.
I feel like all these big guys are catfish.
Ooh, fish on.
Dang, got a fuego. Spoon or no?
Nope, jig.
Jig.
Casting out that way now.
Grandy's on fire up there. I'm over here trying to mess around with some kitties. All right, I'm gonna fillet one of your fish, gourds. I'm gonna fillet one of your fish.
Here, you want to cut this one?
No. This one's dead already.
We'll throw this one in there, then. Swap spots. Here.
And just one little piece.
Oh, okay.
Not it. I wasn't
I
gonna.
thought you taking no fish. All right.
What? I was gonna use a 2-pound fish for bait. All right, I better start fishing serious. Yeah, I feel like they're catfish, dude. Unless they're all big walleyes.
Don't matter. I'll take one of those too.
Yeah.
Dope. Fish on. There we go. Fish.
Dang, goes on fire. Ooh, that was a big one. Yeah.
Cutter. Yeah, we'll take it. Now let him go, 'cause I can't.
Dang, goes on fire, man. I'm over here not doing nothing. Yeah, get a boat, they say. Catch more fish, they say.
Get lucky, man. You guys saw my struggle this morning.
Can't get that far.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Ooh. Double trouble. Triple. Come on. It would be triple if you don't.
Come on.
Oh,
Ooh.
Kit.
Oh my
That's
God.
right on Kit.
I know. Come on.
Come on.
How?
I know, right?
That was right on top of me. I think I was too deep.
Oh my God. None of us?
No.
Everybody casted perfect too. Oh, fish on. There we
Oh my God, I had one.
Dang, gourds. Gourds with the secret. Or not the secret, the hot hand.
Oh man, bit my tail off.
Dang.
That was my last kite tech.
Ooh, big one.
You. All of a sudden, it got a little bigger as we got closer.
Just fighting hard.
Yeah, just fighting hard. All right, let's go. Super Fluke is
Man, I was gonna call it an 8-2, but we're catching.
backyard bait shop hooks. Not letting me down either.
Yep.
Same hook.
Oh my God! Finally, my first bite in so long.
Well, you took a 10-minute break to do the catfish setup.
Yeah. That's what it was.
He just gave me these jigs, one of these plastics.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate the fact that you took the time to watch. And my first day of boating is under wraps. I went out earlier that morning, breaking in the motor. Not a lot going on there. Didn't think it was worth filming because I was just putting around the lake for 2 or 3 hours. About that problem with me not being able to get on plane. Turns out the prop was too small, so I got a hold of the dealer and they swapped it out and I get out on plane just fine now and she scoots across the lake. But anyways, going into this, you know, people think you get a boat, you catch more fish. So as a new boat owner, I'm still trying to learn a bunch of stuff, you know, trying to get myself situated, controlling the boat, all that stuff. Because obviously you guys saw that I didn't catch a ton of fish, but you know, I've gotten it dialed in a bit better since then. So stay tuned for that. There's going to be more and more fishing videos from my boat, and I do a lot better going forward. So just make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. But yeah, if you like this one, give it a like, and I'll catch you guys later.